Welcome to another epic walking tour. Today, we will be hiking the Beta Caves in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. We are currently in the KL city center, and we'll find our way to get to nearest station to Beta Cave. Your adventure begins at the Kuala Lumpur Central KL Central Station, the main transportation hub in the city. From here, you board the KTM commuter train on the Beta Caves Port Klang line. The train journey, which spans approximately 25 minutes, takes you through a tapestry of urban landscapes, offering glimpses of daily life in Kuala Lumpur. As the train departs from KL Central, you can witness the city's transition from bustling commercial areas to serene suburban neighborhoods. The route provides a fascinating cross-section of Malaysian life, showcasing everything from modern skyscrapers to traditional houses and lush greenery. The train terminates at the Beta Cave station, conveniently located a short walk from the main entrance of the Beta Caves complex. Upon arrival, you're greeted by the sight of the towering limestone hills and the majestic statue of Lord Murugan, setting the tone for the spiritual and cultural exploration that awaits. Beta Caves, located in Gambak, Selangor, Malaysia, is a limestone hill comprising a series of caves and cave temples. This iconic landmark is over 400 million years old and has been a significant religious site for Tamil Hindus since the late 19th century. The site features a 42.7-meter, 140 feet tall statue of Lord Murugan, unveiled in 2006. It is the second tallest statue of a Hindu deity in the world and stands majestically at the base of the steps. The Beta Caves were discovered in 1859 by American naturalist William Hornaday. However, it was in 1891 that K. Thambusami Pillai, an Indian trader and leader, installed a consecrated statue of Lord Murugan within the main cave, transforming it into a Hindu temple. The site quickly became a focal point for the annual Thaipusam festival, drawing thousands of devotees and tourists. In recent years, Beta Caves has undergone significant renovations. In 2018, the iconic 270 steps leading up to the main cave were painted in vibrant colors, creating a visually stunning pathway that attracted global attention. This renovation, however, sparked controversy as it was done without the approval of the National Heritage Department, raising concerns about the preservation of the site's historical and cultural integrity. The renovation of the Beta Cave steps in 2018, painted in bright rainbow colors, faced criticism for not following proper procedures and potentially damaging the heritage site. The local authorities were not consulted, leading to a public outcry about the need for preserving cultural heritage responsibly. Beta Caves also houses the Dark Cave, a 2-kilometer-long cave system rich in fauna, including the rarest spider species, the trapdoor spider Liphastius batuensis. Guided tours offer a glimpse into this subterranean ecosystem. Beta Caves is the epicenter of the Thaipusam festival in Malaysia. Devotees participate in a 15-kilometer procession from Kuala Lumpur to the caves, often engaging in acts of devotion like carrying kavadas or piercing their bodies with hooks and skewers. Legend has it that there is hidden gold within the Beta Caves, concealed during ancient times. Although numerous treasure hunts have been attempted, the elusive gold remains a mystery, adding to the cave's allure. The Beta Caves are home to a large population of macaque monkeys. These clever and sometimes mischievous primates are known to interact with visitors, often snatching food and belongings, adding an element of adventure to the visit. Climbing the 272 steps to the main temple cave is considered a spiritual journey. Each step represents a challenge to overcome, leading to the reward of divine blessings at the top. This climb is particularly meaningful during the Taipusam festival, symbolizing the devotees' penance and devotion. Thank you for joining us on this walking tour of Beta Caves. We hope you've enjoyed this glimpse into one of Malaysia's most iconic landmarks. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and embrace the journey.